Hey there, it's Elizabeth, and welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are doing well. Okay, so what you're looking at right here is the Collage Weekly Planner, week 2. Okay, I'm going to attempt to do a process video, all right? Now, this is coming out on right here, my Friday the 8th of January 2021. So let's get started. Okay. Oh, and just so you know, this is this book right here by Margarete Miller, the 2021 Collage Weekly Planner with collage art assignments. Okay. The link will be below. So let's get started here. Okay. Now, here are the things. Here's the recipe. All right. A person, an image from a magazine, a doodle, a piece of washi tape, a tea bag cover, and the bonus is an illustration. Okay, so here's what I collected, all right? This can go for a few things. I just love this, okay? So I'm gonna use this as a person, or it actually is from a magazine, so I could say it's an image from a magazine. This is what I chose as my doodle. Now it kind of gets lost obviously on here because of so much black. So we're gonna see how that works out. But this is my doodle. I did not doodle it. I actually ripped it off of the cover of a Singer sewing machine book, something, okay, vintage, yeah. But I love it because it's full of color, and that is what I love. So that's my doodle. A piece of washi tape. Now, I chose this very thick. I haven't even opened it yet. I got it in Happy Mail, so thank you very much. And it is my first ever roll of super thick washi tape. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. And a tea bag cover. Now, I drink loads of tea, all right? And I'm not really sure how I want to use it yet. So, yeah, I have lots of covers, right? From tea. Yeah, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see how we're gonna use those. Oh, and then this right here, I think is going to be either my doodle or an illustration. It might be the illustration. Yeah, because I love this. I love this. It's all about pencils and drawn at actual size, apparently. Yeah, I got this from a vintage book as well. So we'll see how we're going to put all this together. All right, shall we? Now, I'm thinking that I wanted just to glue this down just like that. Some of it might get covered up. It doesn't really matter to me, honestly. Yeah. Okay, let's just get gluing, shall we? Okay, I'm using Elmer's Purple Disappearing Glue, washable, whatever. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so let's get going. I hope y'all are doing well. I know when I published the first few videos of this collage book, y'all were super interested. I really hope that Marguerite is back from her well-deserved break. And you guys have been able to get a hold of the book if you wanted to. Again, remember, the links will be below. Y'all were really interested in the first time I showed you how I did the collaging on my first week. So thank you so much for that. It was, yeah, like a super watched video of mine, so I appreciate it. I'll have that link below as well. Oh no, you know what I will link below? I will link below the playlist, because this is going to have the Collage Weekly Planner is going to have its own playlist, you know. So, okay, there is that. Now, let's see here. We're going to use this washi tape, which is just beautiful. Just beautiful. I've never owned washi tape this thick. It's probably, I don't even know. Let's check it. It looks to be like 4 inches wide. Yeah. Hello. Lovely. Okay, now this is how we're gonna do it, I think. We're gonna tear, let's see here. All right. All right. Okay. Let's just see, you know. This is all an experiment for me, guys. All an experiment. Okay, so we're going to tear this off. Look at that big old beautiful piece. Okay. And then I'm going to tear it kind of like, let's see if this will work. Okay, we're going to tear it like this right down the center. And then, let's see, toward the bottom. Toward the bottom, we're going to kind of go like that. All right, now I'm putting that off to the side because I'm going to wrap it back around the roll. All right, now. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Okay. Yes, I do. All right. We're going to stick this right down. Hope that it sticks. Okay? Hope that it sticks. It's all right that it goes off the edges because I will then trim that. All right? Or, you know what I could do is on this side, I'm just gonna fold this right up like that. Okay, that looks pretty, huh? Now I don't, oh yeah, I can fold this down like that. All right, no trimming necessary. Hopefully it will stay stuck. I'm not really sure, but okay, I like how that's coming along. Now, you would think that this was gonna be like, you know, more on the vintage side. Guess what? Nope. I'm going to make it not. Okay, so I love these. I don't know where I received this, honestly. I'm so sorry. I wish I could remember. But I absolutely love it. Okay, and like what I probably should have done was scanned it before cutting it. But you know, whoa, look there. Settle down, Elizabeth. But you know, with copyright and all that kind of jazz, I mean, who knows, you know? Who knows? Okay, so we're gonna cut this here. Should we save her half a head? I don't know. All right. I just love this. Okay. We're gonna put this right here. I think. Let's get that out of the way. All right. And then I think we're just gonna put this right here like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. I think. All right. Well, you know, like I said, it's all experimentation in this book, and it's going to be so much fun at the end of this year. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. It's going to be so much fun at the end of this year going through this and like just seeing how I guess I have changed throughout the year. Let's scooch over and hopefully scooch you down. Let's scooch you over a little bit more. Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Okay, and then we're gonna put this right here. Why? Because I like it. I like it there. That's why. Anyway, yeah, it'll be super fun to flip through this thing at the end of the year just to see all the different collages and, you know, I think it's fun to see how, and many of you guys mentioned this in the video previous. Whoops. I am getting glue everywhere, folks, just everywhere. I think it's a lot of fun to see how everybody interprets the recipe, right? Yeah. I think it's super fun, you know? Everybody has a different take on things, and you know, some people like vintage, some people like color, some people like a mix of both. You know, it all depends. I really like that a lot. And guess what? I think we need to brighten up this, maybe with some yellow. Now, this is going to be my tea bag. I don't want to put it like that. No, I just want to use this. There's always time for tea. Oh, I wonder if I could tear it. Oh yeah. There's like this plastic stuff in there. That's okay though. All right. Oh, okay, there's always time for tea. Isn't that fun? All right, let's tear this apart. Okay, now this is gonna be, trying to glue this foil stuff is not fun. I like it right there though. I can tell you that right now. What should I use? I think I'm probably just gonna try to use some tacky glue and hope that that works, okay? So this is just Aleene's tacky glue. We're gonna get some on there. Come on now, come on. Okay. There we go. I hope. All right. There is always time for tea. And yes, there is. Oh, I have ink all over my nails from another project I was doing earlier. Oh, I like that. And I like how the yellow just ties in with the yellow here and the yellow here over in here, because this is awfully dark, but I love it. And the flower here, kind of, for me anyway, it ties in with the outlining, with the black and everything. And then of course the pencils and all of that. And the washi tape behind gives it that little bit of vintage feel. Because this of course is from a vintage book. This is from a vintage book cover. Yeah, oh, I like it. Okay, a person, image from a magazine, a doodle, a piece of washi tape behind, a tea bag cover, that's this, tying in everything together, I think, and an illustration, which is this, which I love. Yeah, it's kind of like bottom heavy, but I don't mind it. I like the way it came out, okay? And so if you haven't seen my previous week's videos, which, you know, would be this week, all of these videos right here, okay? I did a haul, books from Momo, I did a flip through the beginning of December, I did a journal with me, my opening page for January 2021, and I of course did my ramble session on Monday. So there we have it. Now what I am using this planner for is not for a planner. I'm using it to track my my YouTube channel, okay? So that is what I am using it for. And let's see here. Can I use a piece of this, perhaps? I don't know. Put this right here because it's cute. Oh, I'll probably need to put some glue on it. And then a little bit later, whoops, come on, glue. A little bit later, I will go back in and I will write, you know, my notes about how where was I putting this? About how I felt about doing this page. Yeah, there we go. Okay, little bit of tape there. Yeah, I will, right down here, I will put some little notes about how I felt about doing this page. I loved it. It is super simple and easy to do, especially because Margarete has your little recipe right here. So you just go around your room, you find your little bits, and you put them together in a collage. And I love it. I think it's so much fun. So there you have it. Week 2 in a shortish video. Yes. Okay. So here you have it. Week 2 in Margarete Miller's Collage Weekly Planner with collage art assignments. Okay. Sorry for the glare. There it is. Link will be below. There will also be a link to the playlist. So if you want to go back and like follow along with me week by week, they'll be in consecutive order. So yeah, thanks so much for sharing your time with me. Thank you so much for all your views on the previous video. I'm glad that I could come in here and do this rather quickly for you. Honestly, it was super fun. And yeah, thanks again for sharing your time with me. And I will talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.